everyone, today we will teach you on how to assemble a Sub-Vendo setup. Let us go ahead and do that. First, we need to prepare the charger. This will be a 12 volts 5 amps charger. Then, prepare the universal coin slot. After that, prepare the AdoPisoft official custom board for the wired LAN Sub-Vendo. Next, prepare the 𝗍𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃 or the Ethernet module. And lastly, you will have to prepare the Arduino Nano with its adapter. And here is your adapter for the Arduino Nano. It is already included in the package when you buy one. And here are the stands for the official custom board of the AdoPisoft Sub-Vendo. It is also already included. Now let us start by preparing the AdoPisoft custom board for Sub-Vendo. We will have to connect the wires into the custom board for the LED and the wire for the coin slot. So first, we will have to connect the wire for the LED light. And for this one, it should be easily located. It is a 3-pin and the wire for the LED is the male one. After we have successfully connected it, we will now connect the wires for the coin slot. And for this one, this is a 5-pin this time, and the same for the other one. The male one is also from the wire, and the one on the custom board is the female side. And lastly, this is also an LED. We will have to connect this into the custom board again. And for this one, this is just beside the other LED. This is a 2-pin male side of the wire. After the wires has been successfully connected, we will now get the 𝗍𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃, which is this one, and we will attach it to the custom board. These are the stands that was prepared earlier, and this will be connected to the custom board. But first, let us connect the Ethernet module to the custom board. So as you can see, there are pins on the Ethernet module, and you should connect it this way. As you can see, the pin should be mounted to its female counterpart, which is the black female sides on the custom board. But for the meantime, let us remove the 𝗍𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 or the Ethernet module because we need to attach the stands first. Now that the Ethernet module is already attached to the custom board, we will now proceed with the coin slot. So earlier we have connected a 5-pin wire onto the custom board, That wire is what we will connect into the coin slot. But for this one, you will have to be careful. As you can see, there is ground set, ground, coin, and the 12 volts on the custom board. The same on the coin slot. So whatever wire was attached to the custom board is also what you will attach to the coin slot, because if you are not careful, your coin slot or either your custom board will be short-circuited. To be sure, follow the wire, and whatever is on the other side, carefully connect it to the coin slot. Now that the coin slot is connected, let us prepare the Arduino Nano and its adapter. Connect your Arduino Nano to a computer or to a laptop. Now go to AdoPisoft.com so that we can download the necessary firmware so that we can flash the Arduino Nano. Once you are on the website, click Build Guide. Scroll down and you should find the Sub-Vendo LAN. Once you find it, you will have to click it, and then once it already loads, now go ahead and download the Adulan Sub-Vendo hex, this one, and also the Xloader zip. The Xloader will be our installer, and the firmware is this hex. While you are downloading it, also go ahead and open README. This is the guide and the instruction on how you can flash the firmware into the Arduino Nano. Just simply follow the steps that is included here, and you should be able to successfully flash the firmware. Now that the files has been downloaded, move this into a separate folder so that it is gonna be easier for you to locate it. Now that it is moved, let us go ahead and extract the Xloader installer. Once the extraction is done, go ahead and open the Xloader installer. And once it opens up, there are two baud rates available to use. The recommended is the 115200, but if it doesn't work, try the 57600. Now locate the Adu hex from your Xloader. Just simply follow this and click upload. It should be uploaded to your Arduino Nano, and if it's successfully uploaded, then your light should blink. If you want to access your Arduino Nano, you can download the 𝗵𝗲 application. Simply type that on Google Chrome and you can download it for free. This is a free SSH application that you can use to remote access the command line of your Arduino Nano. Just follow the settings for the 𝗵𝗲 configuration. Like this, click serial COM5 and the speed is 9600 and click open. And as you can see, it says already connecting, meaning that the Arduino Nano is up and running. But the reason that it is saying failed is because the Ethernet module is not yet connected and there is no internet yet. But it is definitely working already. Now that we are done flashing the firmware into the Arduino Nano, let us now attach this to the custom board. And the Arduino Nano should be attached to the custom board this way. Just follow this one, because if it is attached on the other end, then it will not work. Now let us go ahead and power up our custom board and see if it works. And we will also need a LAN cable. Insert it to the Ethernet module and connect the LAN cable to your router for your internet access. By the way, this router is on our VLAN setup of our main Vendo. Just to clear things up, the Sub-Vendo will not work if it is not connected to a main Vendo that is already flashed with the AdoPisoft software. After that, go ahead and open your Wi-Fi and then go ahead and connect to your machine. Now you should find your Sub-Vendo once you click by Wi-Fi, and here you can see it that the Sub-Vendo is already connected to your machine and is available for use. If you want to update the name of your Sub-Vendo, just go to your dashboard and under Payments and Portals, you will find it. Scroll down to the bottom part. Here is where you can edit the name of your Sub-Vendo in any way you want. Just change the name and click Update after that. Let us check if the name was updated, and as you can see, the name was successfully changed. And that is how to assemble, how to change name, and how you can use Sub-Vendo for your main vendor. And that would be all. See you again next time and have a good day.